First heard about Brooks Bell at another industry conference when there was another team that basically was just starting to build out a testing program. They were like, oh, you're working with Brooks Bell, that's going to be great. They're going to build out a wonderful program for you. And that was right before I kind of started looking into it myself. I would say the number one thing that kind of differentiated Brooks Bell from most of the other consulting firms that we looked at is most of the other firms look at it as a consulting engagement, and so you fit into their model. Whereas Brooks Bell says this is a partnership and we fit into whatever your organizational structure is and the way that you guys do business. The Brooks Bell assessment that I recently had a readout on more or less captured everything that I imagined was wrong with the program and then was struggling with how to actually put that into operational action to go and solve for it. So great to see, looking forward to actually putting it in place and rolling it out over the next few months. The recommendations from Brooks Bell largely were around creating a culture of testing. Test first, rely on data, actually prove out. So data trumping emotion, developing what good looks like in a testing program. And so those were the key kind of learnings and takeaways we had. Single largest benefit of working with Brooks Bell is just having an outside perspective on the internal processes and things that we have to go through. So a lot of areas that we have to kind of bounce ideas off of. I think Brooks Bell can really help us solve quite a few business problems that we have and be super tactical and aggressive in actually getting those out the door and then rolling those changes out and expanding that across the business.